Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about the positive news regarding economic data. Before I do so, let's take a look at the three major indices and different sectors. So at the top, the three major indices, Dow Jones Industrial Average, up 0.58%, S&P 500, up 0.69%, NASDAQ, up 0.69%. So all three of these indices were in the green today. Taking a look at the indices, the top three sectors that led the rally were energy, healthcare, and industrials. And the bottom three were materials, telecom, and utilities. So all these S&P sectors were in the green today. So taking a look at the manufacturing, stocks open higher as data shows U.S. manufacturing strength. So manufacturing overall was very strong and showed positive news. So Boeing tries to recoup some of the sharp losses. And the data showed non-defense durable goods orders posting their largest increase in 6 months in January, so rising 0.8%, and overall durable goods order climbed 0.4%. So this is very good news, seeing these numbers growing. And European markets are mostly higher, with France's CAC up 0.5% and UK's FTSE up 0.3%, while Germany's DAX trades flat. So they're all very positive news. And then taking a look at the economic data. So as I mentioned, it was very strong economic data that caused the indices to move forward. So it's reflected a resilient U.S. economy and inflation remains tame. And as I mentioned, the three indices were in the green today. And the sectors that led the way were healthcare and IT, while the ones that were lagging were utilities and communication services. And also British pound gains 1.2% against the greenback after the UK government announces the tariff cuts and before UK Parliament votes on whether to leave without a deal in place. And I think recently the news came out that they rejected the Brexit deal. So UK Parliament rejects no deal Brexit with a 312 to a 308 vote. Theresa May plans to seek to extend Brexit by about 2 months, according to Bloomberg. And update at 3:33 p.m. Eastern Time, Parliament rejects amendment for a managed no deal 374 to 164. This amendment sought to delay Brexit until May 22nd and propose a 2-year standstill. Parliament confirms vote to rule out no deal Brexit 321 to 278 in another government defeat. And the default in UK and EU law remains what the UK will leave the EU without a deal unless something else is agreed. So Theresa May says the options to delay Brexit are a short technical extension if a deal is in place or a much longer extension to Article 50. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on these news? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.